2:30 a.m. Time to rise and grind. First thing I do is grab breakfast. Wish I had time to cook, but I'm far too busy for that. It's been 6 months since I quit YouTube to trade stocks full time. Social media is nice and all that.
I like to get the day started with just a nice casual jog. Just relax the body, get your blood pumping, get a good start to the day.
But the real money is in the stock market. Now we can finally get to work.
Gucci, thanks so much for the 15 months of CBHL. Thanks for giving a tier 3 sub to Jay. Thank you. God damn it, I'm muted. I was muted.
Trade that option. Trade that stock. Cum point is worthless. I sold every last drop of my cum point. Sell it all. Sell it all. And then your options out there. Got it. And that's just a day in the life of a stock trader, baby. I executed the stock trade, and it gave me money. So make sure to tune in next time for... Listen, I don't know how to trade stocks, man. I lost all my money on Robinhood. I had no idea what I'm doing. If only there was something that could trade stocks for me.
Hello, pool boy. What up?
Hi. I want to give my Goldfish Frederick the ability
Man,
to
this
trade
camera's
stocks.
lit.
Now we know what you're thinking. Michael, you own a goldfish? And Michael, why haven't you posted a video in 8 months? Anyways, this is my idea. Right here.
We track Frederick's position anywhere he is in the tank. Then, every morning when the stock market opens, he'll be prompted with 2 random companies. He'll choose one by spending more time on that side of the tank. Then, the computer will take his decision and buy that stock with the money of whoever is sponsoring this video.
But before any of that, we need to track fish. You might think I built my fish tank against a blank white wall because it provides ample lighting and doesn't overstimulate my fish. Wrong.
I
did it so
know.
I the detection software to just look for orange pixels of the fish and it won't get fucked up by a shitty, messy background. Here's some code I wrote that displays what the camera sees. It's not much, but we can add a function in that filters out specific colors, like apartheid. Then we can tell that function to filter out every color that isn't orange. Now this is kind of a complicated coding thing, so just try to keep up with this. And bada bing, bada boom, we got a color mask. But
Okay.
it has speckles of shit in it. We just gotta sprinkle some post-processing code on there and clean it right up. I did not have to Google how to do that. Shut the fuck up. Then we take that post-process image, find the location of this little blob of pixels.
I mean, I don't even know how to fucking do any of this, so like, what?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom, everything.
And honestly, that was most of the hard part. I just added some random stuff like the tickers and some logic, and I think we're ready to test it without actual money, because I don't know if it works. All right, so you should see these lights turn on, including the fish tank one, because I wired it to this relay box over there, and the program should turn them on automatically. Anytime it will turn them. God fucking damn it.
Anytime now.
No, the lights are on. Boom. Tickers at the top. Boom. The fish is choosing. He's favoring the MO one. Ooh, what'll it be? Ooh, what's he gonna? Oh my god, it fucking hurt. The fish bought stock. Well, I mean, he didn't buy the stock, but like he
No, I do not code.
He bought Altria.
The closest thing I did before was like, there used to be this thing back in Calgary called Calgary Planet, and it's basically like a lot of like making your own site through like HTML and all this kind of stuff. So you have the code with the font and the color and like all this kind of thing. So I just learned a bit of HTML through that. Yeah. So yeah, I used to have like a bunch of code and like all this stuff, but it wasn't my own code. Like it was be from other people. I would just take it and then change up things in the code so that it was like what I wanted it to look like.
Good, excellent choice. I think we're ready to hook it up to the actual stock market, which is actually going to be super easy. There's like a million of these stock market APIs.
Yeah, it's hell into that for a long time.
I'm gonna use this one called Alpaca API. They're all pretty much the same though. And really all I have to do is add a few lines to the fish code and yeah, I guess we're done. Yeah, Frederick can start trading stocks anytime. I'm gonna go upstairs and start it. What is that? What is Wall Street Bets? Wall Street Bets is a subreddit for dipshits who try to get rich quick on meme stocks. We like the stock. We like the... Like this idiot who recorded himself losing $50,000 in 2 seconds. Their investments are not based on logic here. They're based on memes and tendies. Those guys are fucking geniuses. Their stocks only go up. Wait, what? Fuck, I could have built a bot that scraped the Wall Street Bets subreddit and just bought stocks based on what they posted there. Should I just start over? But Frederick already knows how to trade stocks. But those guys from Wall Street Bets literally only pick good stocks. You've seen GameStop, you've seen Tesla, you saw Frederick in there. He was fucking incredible. Just stick to the plan. Wall Street Bet said it would be free tendies. What do you not get about free tendies? I don't know.
Free tendies, huh? What does that mean?
If only I could make both, and then pit the two systems.
The cam
against
is
each other in
crisp.
a
Like,
super
this
sick
camera is so
competition of
good.
Fish versus man to see which one makes more money. Frederick takes an early lead by buying Nike stock, but those dumbasses at Wall Street bet to buy Lucid and they're close behind. This is gonna be a it's me, the bitch-ass audience. Michael, you can't just represent an entire community with a computer program. Yes, the fuck I can. For this bot to work, we need to know how Wall Street Bets feels about certain stocks. To do this, we're gonna use sentiment analysis, which is a natural language processing technique that uses machine learning. Say we're looking through my YouTube comments. One says, "Die forever, bastard. I hate you." A sentiment analysis bot would classify that as negative. And if we look
His
at
mic
another
isn't
one,
plugged
that says,
in?
"I think you're great. Also, I have a super cool robot idea for you." A sentiment analysis bot will classify that as super fucking negative because your idea probably sucks ass. To train a sentiment analysis bot, you need a lot of labeled data. So a lot of samples of text that are labeled positive or negative by a human. There are a lot of these data sets out there that are publicly available, but the text is like normal person talking. Wall Street Bets,
they talk about tendies and YOLO and boomers.
Weak hands or paper hands.
Stongs, just YOLO.
very unique vocabulary. Therefore, I needed to make my own data set using their fucked, weird Wall Street Bets language. So I went to r/Wall Street Bets, sorted by top of all time, downloaded the top 10,000 posts, and all that's left to do was to label them as positive or negative. So I sat down with a nice cup of coffee and labeled the data myself. No, that would have taken 4 or 5 hours. That's fucking stupid. Instead, I spent an entire month learning the React web framework and building a website that would allow users to log in and label the data for me. Then I tweeted asking Wall Street Bets members to give me their Reddit usernames. I then plugged those usernames into the Reddit API, got the top 10 accounts with the most Reddit karma who were active on Wall Street Bets. Those 10 people labeled 1,000 posts each, 10,000 posts total, and created the data set for me. And that's how you turn a 5-hour task into a 1.5-month task. Because I'm a programmer.
They're
and
so,
that's what we do. I use that data set to train a sentiment analysis bot, and now every morning when the fish is trading stocks, this bot is going on r/Wall Street Bet. It's looking through the top posts of the day until it finds one it likes, and then it buys the stock that that post is talking about. So that's how that works. Let's get back to the competition and see which one is better at trading stocks.
Insane things are happening, Michael,
This
right
is
now.
crazy stuff going on. Interesting buy from Wall Street Bets. I don't know if the GameStop play is going to work out for them.
People love games, Michael.
What?
They fucking love games. Big tank from Wall Street Bet could be like another 9/11 situation. Fish is going crazy buying Costco and Facebook.
Meta now.
It's a crazy day. There's a lot of volatility right now.
Very confusing. I don't know where this one's gonna go. I'm gonna get an expert's opinion on this for sure. Have a nice day.
No way. He flew all the way here.
Hey, this is Graham Stephan. He does financial investing videos and is also rich as
Actually,
fuck.
yeah, he would.
So you do money.
Yeah.
You have money. I came to ask you questions. I'm gonna give you 2 portfolios. I just want you to look them over. Which one do you think is better?
Okay. Portfolio 1's interesting. Now portfolio 2. Okay. We got a lot of the memes here. The market's been down. Pretty much everything has been down the last 3 months.
Yeah.
But if I were to,
That's
I would
not
feel way more
Starbucks.
comfortable with the first one.
What if I told you that an algorithm has picked all of these stocks?
I would believe it.
I'm gonna give you the performance
Wow. The algorithm has performed. Now, this is only over 3 months.
for the portfolio 1 is managed by Frederick. This video is about investing, so like maybe giving viewers an
Algorithm.
opportunity to invest into a fund that is managed by my fish.
So, it's a fish.
Yeah. I'm back.
Things have been going crazy. What did Graham say?
His money is on the fish,
Peaks and the valleys for Wall Street's bets. It's better and bigger than anyone. They can win.
but Graham's money is on the fish.
I fucking hate you, Graham Stevens. Big fall.
What the
Big
fuck
ball.
was that? What was that? Huge! It's not looking good for Wall Street Bets right now at all.
Let's
What is
not
that?
good.
What is that?
This could be it.
It's climbing.
It's the comeback.
It's climbing. It's to the moon. It's gonna break through, bro. It's gonna fucking break through. Oh, it fucking died. The fish won!
Let's go back!
Let's fucking go, Frederick! Fuck you, Wall Street Bets! Get shit on by a fish! Fucking go! That settles it. Fish is the superior technology. So that's it, right? No, I think I can use this fish technology to create a legitimate business. I've been working on a startup proposal for the last couple of days, and I have a meeting set up to try and get some investors. So it's like a venture capitalist startup meeting.
Except it wasn't that at all. It was like this weird fucking hype house for startup founders. So each one of these people has started their own company, and the management has allowed me to pitch my startup idea to them.
Hello, everybody. My name is Michael. I'm here representing.
This is real. Like, these people all actually are like legit.
It's a small fintech startup. You've seen it all happening already. Articles like this.
It's like a real pitch.
A lot of inexperienced people are losing money in the stock market. That's where Reefly fits in. We have a couple of algorithms going. WSB, mainly sentiment analysis. The second, Fish, tracks analyst movements. WSB is performing well below market average, but Fish is outperforming.
Yeah, they're so serious.
13% last quarter. Honestly, the main reason I'm here is because of the performance of that Fish technology. It's performing very well, but generally, we think it can be performing even better. Pretty sure it comes down to a few things. Tank health, clarity, like of the water. We're probably going to be improving food and like better filters in general. Oh, I already covered that. We need
They're
to
like,
know
huh?
how long the fish can perform. Looking into the data, the lifespan of this species is generally around 8 to 12 years. We think that with better water parameters and more attention to food, we can get it up to an outlier of 20 plus years. The fish's name is Frederick, and that, thank you. Do you have any questions?
No, they were not in on the joke. Like, it was...
So the fish is determining your stock picks?
Yeah, it's fish. It's fish is the idea. So we've got a front-facing camera. The fish is prompted with 2 stocks. Whichever side it spends more time on, just that stock. Do you have any more questions? You know, not everyone can see the vision, and that's okay. I'm not. It's not like I'm mad. I'm not mad or anything.
How much you could you...
Fuck! Why don't they understand? Fuck!
I guess the world
The
just
things
isn't
they
ready
do for
this yet, though.
content.
All I wanted to do was get super fucking rich. But maybe I don't deserve it. But I think I know someone who does. So I sold all the stocks in the
So
portfolio
funny.
and withdrew the money.
This is the exact amount of money Frederick has made so far: $1,007.59. Can you believe my goldfish made this?
And then I went back to where I got him.
I got him from this tank. And now he's doing such a big
Aww.
thing. Excuse me, I'm looking to get some like better filters and food.
They're really good filters.
Awesome, I will grab this. What about
Thank you so much for the 2 months. Welcome back. Thank ya.
The rest is for Frederick.
Sorry?
It's for Frederick, the rest of it?
Frederick?
Yeah, the rest is for Frederick. You can keep
I
it.
don't know, actually.
Thank you.
For what? I mean...
Wham, Michael, why did it take you so long to make the video? I don't fucking know. It feels like I blacked out for 8 months and still somehow managed to procrastinate the video until the last minute like a dumbass. But hey, still faster than internet historian, baby. That's what matters. And as for Frederick, he made enough money to retire. He'll live out the rest of his days in fish paradise.
I didn't change my room in 2 days.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, you can subscribe so you can catch my next upload in 2025.
Yeah.
Shout out to Frederick for making this possible. Shout out to God, Jesus.
Gave the fish shop the money?
I made
Oh,
this
okay,
poster for
that's
myself
nice.
Using the data from Frederick versus Wall Street bets because all the graphs needed
That
to be
is
in
so
8K,
troll.
why not? I figured I may as well sell it. So if you want it, you can have it, and if you don't want it, you do not have to get it. It is fucking gargantuan though. It's like my height. I mean, I'm a short fucking person, but like it's still a gargantuan poster. It's like 5 feet long. It has all the brands and when they were
That
bought by,
is
like,
almost
few
my
exact
height.
Times. It's very, it's lit. If you want it, you can go to my new URL. Pissbaby.art is no longer my store or whatever. I just didn't like the weird toilet humor. I'm trying to go in like a more elegant direction. Also, I forgot to renew the domain, and so somebody stole it. So now, pissbaby.store is my new best friend. It doesn't
Oh,
matter.
like
You
that's
just click that thing in there.
better.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye. See you in a year.